Come test drive the 2017 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, XM satellite radio, 3rd row seat, traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.